Good morning, sir. This is S.N. Mushkina Banu from CSC branch, C section, pursuing second BTech first semester, and my topic for CAA2 assignment is thermal pollution in industrial areas. Thermal pollution in industrial areas, and the case study is the effect of industrial cooling on the Nile River. Here is the outline what we are discussing about. Firstly, introduction to thermal pollution, causes of thermal pollution, environmental impact, case study on effect of industrial cooling on the Nile River, and last, conclusion. Introduction to thermal pollution. Thermal pollution occurs when industrial processes release heated water into natural water bodies, disrupting local ecosystems. This increase in temperature can harm aquatic life as many species have specific temperature thresholds for their survival. Let us discuss the causes of thermal pollution. Industrial processes, urban runoff, deforestation and land clearing, cooling ponds and reservoirs. In industrial processes like power plants, manufacturing plants and refineries. In urban runoff, impervious surfaces and industrial influence, deforestation and land clearing, loss of shade and erosion. In cooling ponds and reservoirs is artificial lakes. Environmental impact. Elevated water temperatures can lead to decreased oxygen levels, making it difficult for fish and other aquatic organisms to thrive. Species that are sensitive to temperature changes may experience decreased populations or even local extinctions. Let us discuss regulations and standards. Various regulations exist to manage thermal discharges, including the Clean Water Act in the United States. Industries are often required to implement cooling towers or other technologies to minimize heat released into water bodies. Compliance with these regulations is essential for protecting aquatic ecosystems and maintaining biodiversity. Mitigation strategies. Industries can adopt closed-loop cooling systems to minimize thermal pollution by reusing water instead of discharging it as at elevated temperatures. Investing in green infrastructure such as vegetative buffers along waterways can help regulate temperatures and improve water quality. Public awareness campaigns can inform communities about the impacts of thermal pollution and encourage sustainable practices. Let us discuss case study. Effect of industrial cooling on Nile River. This presentation examines the impact of industrial cooling process on the Nile River. The Nile, a vital water source for millions, faces ecological challenges from industrial activities. Understanding these effects is crucial for sustainable water management and environmental conservation. Industrial cooling processes. Industrial cooling systems often utilize large volumes of water from the Nile for temperature regulation. The heated water returned to the river can alter its natural thermal regime, affecting aquatic life. Specific industries such as power plants and manufacturing facilities are significant contributors to this issue. Environmental impacts. Elevated water temperatures can disrupt the delicate balance of the Nile's ecosystem. The alteration of local habitats can lead to shifts in biodiversity and the health of fish populations. Socio-economic consequences. Communities relying on the Nile for fishing and agriculture may suffer from ecosystem degradation. Changes in fish populations can affect local economies dependent on fishing as a primary livelihood. Understanding these socio-economic impacts is essential for developing effective policy responses. Recommendations and future directions. Implementing stricter regulations on industrial water usage and discharge can mitigate negative effects. Promoting sustainable cooling technologies can reduce the thermal impact on the Nile. Continued research and monitoring are necessary to ensure the health of the river and its surrounding ecosystems. We concluded from the above slides, thermal pollution in industrial areas disrupts ecosystems by raising water temperatures, lowering oxygen levels, and harming aquatic life. This affects biodiversity and water quality, impacting communities and agriculture. Solutions like cooling systems and heat recovery can help reduce these effects, promoting a balance between industrial and environment. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.